Hi guys, my name is Sudhakar. I ride a Harley Davidson Ultra Limited and I ride with a group called Row. We are about from 40-45 bikers, and I've come to know about this Apex through Facebook, and once I called the sales team, and it was very nice experience, and they have been very responsive, and they have given us very good pricing, and they have given a fantastic warranty. So all these has actually led to come back here and then give the bikes for the coating. The job done by these guys is excellent. I would say we have not seen this kind of work anywhere else. We have been going to several companies till date, as we have so many bikes, but then the kind of finish that I've got from here, the kind of hospitality that we received, the care that they have taken about the bikes, I think it's something, it's a next level. We have not seen this anywhere. Thank you.